Hi, hello everyone. Today we are going to share something very exciting. But before we are going to start something, let me introduce myself. Myself Neha Asthana, and today me and you are going to share some beautiful creatures of paper. And I think the best thing we can do in this pandemic time at home is making some paper crafting. This is going to be very much fun and interesting and useful for both of us, you and me together. So I'm going to teach you how to make simple basic paper flowers. Okay, to make these flowers what we all need is some colorful papers, some green colors to make some leaves, and some colorful papers like orange, yellow, red, etc. for flowers. And the next thing what we need is a pair of scissors, a pencil, a scale, and some white PVA glue and one brush. If you don't have PVA glue, you can use any kind of glue, but I personally suggest to use the PVA or white glue because it sticks the papers more stronger than any other glue. Okay, and of course you can use the hot glue also if you are friendly with that. Okay, otherwise be careful using the hot glue, it can burn your hand, it can harm you in some way. So if you are familiar with the hot glue, you can use the hot glue also. Okay, as I have the bigger scale, you can use the smaller one, as we all have in our box a small stationery box. We all have a small scale, and anything we can use the small one, the bigger one. You can use the smaller scissor, you can use the smaller brush or smaller glue box. Okay, so let's get started. All we need to do is to cut 4 paper flowers. ठीक है, 4 cutting of paper flowers. As I have this orange sheet with me, and as you can see, this is the cut piece because I have already made one flower for you. And let me show you the flower. So do you want to know which type of paper flower we are going to make? I'll show you this one. I already made one for you with a beautiful orange color flower with some leaves on the side, and we are going to make a beautiful note from the help of these beautiful paper flowers. Are these flowers going to make you exciting how to make it? Trust me, it is very easy. And how? Let's get started doing that. Okay, so to make flowers we need 3 types of paper cutting. First, of the around 10 centimeter. This is accordingly which size of flower you want to make. I'm making this size of flower. So as I show you before, this size of flower, so I need a one sheet of 10 centimeter square, second sheet of 8 centimeter of square, and third of 6 centimeter of squares. Okay, now we are going to make it fold. How? Let me show you. We take the first paper and let me fold in the from the middle. This is the first fold what we make. Now this time to make the second fold, and we do it like this, the second fold. Now if you find it not a square one, you can cut it out and make a square. Otherwise I do have a square. So now we are going to make the third fold, and third fold makes it a triangle in shape. Okay, this one is the triangle, and now we are going to draw a teardrop shape here. Okay, you can make the teardrop shape, or you can, if you want to make some more leaves in your flower, more petals in your flower, you can hold it one more time like this and make a cone. Okay, so press it hard. Okay, otherwise simple triangle is sufficient. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make a teardrop here and make them cut out. How to make a teardrop? Let me show you. This is a teardrop shape. Okay, this one is a teardrop shape. Now what we are going to do next, we are going to cut it out from the paper. What we are going to cut? Teardrop shape. And here we are going to have these teardrops, and trust me, these teardrops are going to make us smile, not the sad one. Usually teardrops are make us sad. When we are sad, we have a teardrop, right? But this time these teardrops are going to give us a big smile on our face, because these are going to make us flowers. So first teardrop is ready, and the same way we have 3 more teardrops. I already make it. Let me show you. So I tell you how to fold 3 fold in the paper and make a teardrop. I already made 3 teardrops of another sheet of red color. As you can see, the 3 teardrops I have from different shape, bigger one, then smaller, and the smallest. 3 size. Okay. Now we are going to make it open. Like, and the magic begins. We got our flower. Right? Is this beautiful? So in the same way, we are going to open the rest of 2 teardrops and quickly ready for making a flower. This flower is of the 10 centimeter. This was the 8 centimeter, and this flower is going to be 6 centimeter. And be careful while opening it, because this is just a thin paper. It can be teared. Now we have 3 different kinds of flowers. As you can see, we can make it necklace, we can make it earrings, we can make it pins, okay, and we can use in so many ways. But now we are going to make flowers. So now rest what we can do is to take the biggest one, then the smallest one, and the most smallest one. Now you all have scissor. What we are going to do next? Take the smallest one, open the scissor like this. Hold your flower in the middle and keep your scissor like this and make it up. Give it a curl to the petals with very light hands, okay? Very light hand, otherwise it's got teared up. And now, as you can see the curl in the flower, you can do in the smaller one, 8 centimeter flower also. Slightly curled. Okay, this is going to be really fun. Okay, I love doing it the whole day. I can make it whole day. So, and we will keep the first one as same. Now it's time to fix it all. We are going to take some glue in the brush and take the glue on the brush and apply in the middle of the biggest flower petal like this. I put this little glue on the middle, and taking the 8 centimeter flower, put it on the 10 centimeter petal and paste it like this. Okay, now it's time to take the last one. Here we are going to take the third flower on it. Again we put a small dot of glue here and going to paste the next flower on it, and we are done. Now to make it more attractive, we can put a small circle of different color in the middle of the flower and make it more attractive. As I have a different sheet which is remaining from the rest, so I am going to cut a small circle from this sheet. Every single piece of paper is not a waste. We can use it in many other sheets. Okay, this circle we have cut it from this rest of the sheet. We are going to put a small glue on it and going to paste in the middle of the flower. As you can see, we have one beautiful red color flowers and a beautiful orange color of flowers. And if you want to make a leaf and want to paste it with it, here we are going to do. We have this rectangle green color sheet. We are going to make it fold with the length, okay, like this one, and we are going to cut it just like half moon or half sun semicircle. Okay, we are going to cut it and the same shape of semicircle. Just make a small cuts from the side to make it like real one. cut the small triangles, very small one. Okay, as you can see, like this. Is this beautiful? I found it beautiful. I hope you too. And here we have a beautiful paper leaf. And what we are going to do, we are going to paste it in the back of the flower. Okay, we are just going to put some glue on the side of the flower, as you can see, and we are going to paste my beautiful leaf on this flower. And our flower is ready. Now we are going to write my birthday note on this paper of yellow color. We are going to paste this flower on the side. Again we are going to make some, what is the meaning of craftations? They always create mess around them, and I love that mess, trust me. It makes me smile, it makes me happy, it makes me satisfied. And here we have a beautiful sheet, right? Now what the next we are going to do, we can write anything of here, and our paper flower is ready.